Hi, Mark here. Friday, April the 10th. It's 9:30 a.m. Eastern. That is 1:30 p.m. GMT. US session well underway. Let's have a look at the US dollar. And the sell-off is continuing from yesterday and through the Asian European session and now into the US session. It's still dollar being sold. I've got support at 98.28. I've got resistance at 98.88. So let's see if this does continue testing a tough support level. We'll see if US dollar sell-off continues and sellers break below this 98.35, and we'll be looking down at the 98 level. If buyers do step in, US dollar can turn around and bounce up off this support level. Buyers will be looking all the way back up at this resistance at 98.88 up to the 99 level. But certainly weak US dollar on the last day of the trading week into the US session. Let's have a look at the majors. Looking at the Euro US and have a look for the fifth consecutive day, higher highs, higher lows, and strong euro against the weak US dollar today. I've got support at 116.79. I've got resistance at 117.31. So it's broken above that 117 level and maintaining, looking to test that resistance right now. And we'll see if that does continue, how much higher, how much more the euro can strengthen against the US dollar. If the US dollar does turn things around or from weak to strong, or at least looks to recoup some of these losses, we're looking to bounce down off this level and to come back below the 117 level. Pound against the US. Also strong, you can see fifth consecutive day, pound strengthening against the US. Tough resistance level right now. Hasn't been able to break through here since March. Resistance at 134.72. I've got support at 134.08. Buyers will look to test, break above, maintain above this level. Sellers, on the other hand, will look to bounce down from this tough resistance area and to look back down and look to come test the 134 on the downside. US dollar against the yen. Slightly different pattern. We're not seeing weak US dollar here as yet. US dollar gapped higher to start and kind of maintaining almost a doji-like candlestick, and the narrow range 158.89 is support and 159.32 resistance. Same resistance as yesterday. We'll see if US dollar buyers can look higher, look up, add to this small green candlestick and look up at the one above the 159 level, up at resistance, or dollar weakness like we're seeing on the European majors. That would be selling US, buying yen, and sellers looking to come test the 158.89. But yen, a little bit different pattern to the other majors so far, where we're seeing US dollar weakness against the euro and the pound, not so much and not yet against the yen, holding its own against the yen. Let's have a look at the US against the Canadian. And this very much in keeping with what we saw against the euro and the pound. We're seeing weak US dollar, selling US, buying Canadian. I've got support at 138.04, 138 level, tough level, support level to break below. I've got resistance at 138.43. That's the level buyers, US dollar buyers, if they do step in, will be looking up at that 138.43 resistance level. But for now, as the US session already been underway for 1.5 hours now, Wall Street has opened up as well. We're seeing at this point weak US dollar on the index against the euro, against the pound, and against the Canadian, holding its own against the yen for now. But the resistance and support levels on all our majors being tested. We have those levels to work with Good trading, and I'll see you at the end of day.